Understanding atomic and molecular mass is fundamental in chemistry, forming the basis for many calculations and insights into the atomic nature of matter. An atomic mass unit, AMU, is defined as 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom, crucial for measuring atomic masses. The unified mass, U, replaces AMU in modern contexts. It is used to calculate average atomic masses, simplifying scientific communication. Average atomic mass considers isotopic variations and their relative abundances, offering a more accurate representation of an element's mass. To calculate average atomic mass, identify isotopes, multiply each by its relative abundance, and sum the products for a composite value. Average atomic masses in the periodic table reflect natural isotopic distributions, aiding in practical chemical calculations and understanding elemental behavior. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses in a molecule, essential for understanding molecular composition and conducting accurate chemical reactions. The molecular mass of water, H2O, is calculated by summing the masses of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, yielding 18.0 to U. Formula mass is used for ionic compounds like sodium chloride, NaCl, calculated by summing the atomic masses of constituent ions. The mole concept provides a convenient unit for quantifying atoms and molecules, essential for handling large numbers in chemical reactions. Avogadro's number, 6.0 to 2 times 1023, represents the number of entities in 1 mole, a cornerstone of chemical quantification. 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number of entities, facilitating comparisons and calculations across different materials. Molar mass, the mass of 1 mole of a substance, is numerically equal to its atomic, molecular, or formula mass in grams. Percentage composition reveals the proportion of each element in a compound, crucial for identifying unknown compounds and ensuring sample purity. The percentage composition of water is 11.18% hydrogen and 88.79% oxygen, derived from its molar mass and atomic contributions. Ethanol's percentage composition is calculated as 52.14% carbon, 13.13% hydrogen, and 34.73% oxygen, based on its molar mass. Empirical formulas represent the simplest whole number ratios of atoms, while molecular formulas show the exact number of each atom in a molecule. To determine empirical and molecular formulas, convert mass percentages to moles, simplify ratios, and use molar mass for final calculations. Convert mass percentages to grams by assuming a 100 g sample, simplifying subsequent mole calculations. Divide mass values by atomic masses to convert to moles, establishing a basis for deriving empirical formulas. Simplify mole ratios by dividing by the smallest value, rounding to whole numbers for empirical formula determination. Calculate the molecular formula by dividing the molar mass by the empirical formula mass and multiplying subscripts accordingly. The mole concept is essential for stoichiometric calculations, solution concentrations, and gas laws, enabling precise chemical measurements. Percentage composition aids in quality control, environmental analysis, and pharmaceutical formulations, ensuring product consistency and environmental safety. Isotopes, with varying neutron numbers, impact average atomic mass calculations, reflecting natural isotopic abundances. Carbon-12 serves as a standard reference for atomic mass measurements, ensuring precision and consistency across scientific disciplines. Molecular mass applies to discrete molecules, while formula mass is used for ionic compounds, reflecting their structural differences. Mass spectrometry determines atomic masses by ionizing samples, accelerating ions, and measuring deflection based on mass-to-charge ratios. Avogadro's number has everyday relevance, with more water molecules in a glass of water than grains of sand on Earth. Understanding atomic and molecular mass concepts is fundamental for scientific research, industrial applications, and ongoing advancements in multiple fields.